Hi friends, Bato Gyan YouTube channel welcomes you. Today we will be discussing about basics of electronics. This video will be helpful to students in preparing for competitive exams, interviews as well as these electronics objective question will be very useful for first year engineering students to develop a strong fundamental of basic electronics. So let's continue with the first question. Define electronics. The electronics is the branch of engineering in which the flow of electrons and control of electrons is studied. The next question is define electronic device. And the answer is the device which controls the flow of electrons is called electronic device. Next question is define valence electron. And the answer is the electron present in the outermost shell of an atom is called valence electron. This diagram will show you the valence electron which is present in the outermost shell of the atom. Next question is define free electron. And the answer is the free electron is a particle that is not attached to the atom and moves freely from one place to another place within the conductor. This diagram will show you the free electrons. Next question is define ionization. And the answer is the process by which an atom loses or gains an electron is called ionization. Next question is define ion. And the answer is the atom that loses or gains an electron is called ion. Next question is define positive ion. And the answer is the atom that loses an electron is called positive ion. The next question is define negative ion. The answer is the atom gains an extra electron is called negative ion. The next question is define covalent bond. And the answer is it is a type of chemical bond which occurs due to sharing of valence electrons between two or more atoms. The next question is what are the three main energy bands in solids? And the answer is the three main energy bands in solids are conduction band, valence band, forbidden band. Define conduction band. And the answer is the conduction band is formed by grouping all the energy levels of the free electrons. Define valence band. And the answer is the valence band is formed by grouping all the energy levels of the valence electrons. The next question is define forbidden band. And the answer is forbidden band is the energy gap present between the conduction band and the valence band, where no energies are allowed. Next question is what are the different types of materials based on their electrical conductivity? And the answer is materials are classified into three types based on their electrical conductivity. The first one is conductors, second is insulator, and third is semiconductor. The next question is define insulator, and the answer is insulators are the materials which do not easily allow the electric current through them. Rubber, plastic, wood, and diamond are some examples of insulators. Next question is define conductor, and the answer is conductors are the materials which easily allow the electric current through them. Copper, aluminum, silver, and iron are the examples of conductors. And the next question is define semiconductor. And the answer is semiconductor is a material which has the electrical conductivity between that of an insulator and conductor. Germanium, silicon, and graphite are some examples of semiconductors. Thanks for watching our video over basic electronics objective question and answers. In this video, we tried to cover most commonly asked questions during exams. If you have any other query, then please write in a comment section given below. I will try to reply back to you. Please like my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.